You know, you'll come in maybe half the time in the classroom, half the time in the workshop. And then you will then, after that, when you come towards the end of it, we will look at maybe progressing you on to a level 2 after you've achieved, you know, the qualification at level 1 standard. When you're in here, we will challenge you in different walls you can build and things like that. And in the classroom, we will get you ready to do, you know, understanding the industry, understanding health and safety, and basically getting you ready to work in the building industry. You will be maybe 1 day a week in the workshop, but we need to give you experience in the industry.
We are very good at Leeds College of Building at moving students into employment. We have lots of employers who contact us asking us for our brightest and best. We work with employers to generate work placements. Now this will be maybe 1 or 2 students going out for a number of days to work alongside that employer to really get a feel for you know, what it's like on the tools or in the office, depending on which discipline you're choosing.
Well, they develop all types of skills. Obviously, they've come here to developing bricklaying, so they'll get bricklaying, but also we'll offer them chances to go and do enrichment.
Leeds College of Building, we've got like a really massive comprehensive offer for the enrichment and sports programme. We've got a Leeds College of Building football team, we've got a rugby team, we've got links with JD Gym, so students can get free gym sessions Monday to Friday. We do some Thai boxing, self-defence sessions after college. The offer's really good. I don't see much offer like that in many other colleges.